Hi Ja! Happy na birthday pa! I hope so far nag-enjoy ka sa birthday mo. Nakakami sa mga ganyang ganap. Pero, yeah, I wish you all the best. Super nakaka-proud yung evolution ng iyong maturity. Kaya, ituloy-tuloy mo lang yan. Nababasa ko lately may pinagdadaanan ka ata. Pero, I know yakang-yaka mo yan. Kapit lang. Maganda ang support system mo dyan. You have a very supportive family and friends. Mapagmahal at supportive na mga mahal sa buhay. Kaya, kayang-kaya yan. Just continue fully surrendering everything to the Lord. Believe, trust, and fully surrender to Him. And mapapansin mo talaga magkakaroon ka ng unshakable peace. And thank you then for being one of those first people who made me feel comfy nung naging part ako for 4 years ng FNC. Nagiging less visible lang ako to welcome the new kapamilyas coming to FNC. Pero yun lang. Pero do know na kahit less visible ako, na I love you so much and I miss you so much. Hindi lang ikaw, pati buong FNC. I love you. Happy birthday. Mwah, mwah, mwah.
Happy na birthday pa, my dear friend. Thank you for being such a wonderful person and for the endless laughs and memories that we've shared. Wishing you the best of everything on your special day, and I am very proud of you. Of course, the rest of the gang is so proud of you sa kung ano at sino ka ngayon. Keep it up. Dito lang kami sa likod mo and we'll always pray for your success. Alright? Happy birthday!
Hi, Swissy! Happy birthday! Sana matupad lahat ng wish mo ngayong araw na to. And sana masaya ka today. Yun. Always pray to God. And alagaan mo yung kalusugan mo lagi dyan. We miss you here. Liga na. Tara na. Shot na ulit. We love you.
Happy birthday, guys! Happy birthday, guys! Enjoy your day!
We love you. We miss you.
We miss you, BFF!
Happy birthday, Tati Ja. Happy birthday, Tati Ja. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Tati Ja.
Saan Tati Ja?
Jaren, Tati Jaren. Tati Jaren. Hello po.
I guess this time you're
Tati Jaren. I hope
I
po.
heard your suitcase say goodbye.
Hindi naman pang birthday yan.
Yan yung paborito niya, Bon Jovi.
Ah, gagi.
That's my broken heart lies bleeding. You say you cry 1,000 rivers.
What's your message? What's your message? I hope po mag-enjoy ka sa surprise party mo today. Huwag po masyadong maglalasing pag magda-drive. Kumain na lang po ng kumain ng mga putok-batok na pulutan. O, di ba ang gulo namin? Kasi kakagising lang namin dito. Smile ka naman dyan. Oh, smile. Smile. Soon po, makakainuman na din kayo ni Elio. Pero sa ngayon, ito muna po isi-cheers na sa inyo. Asa na?
So,
Asa na? Asa na?
tulog.
Ito po. Oh, cheers. Cheers muna po sa milk niya. Oh, cheers. Ang kulo, diba?
Pautang nga. Pautang.
Cheers po. We miss you. We miss you all. Hope to
You
see you
say you
soon.
cry
Hope to see you
1,000
soon.
rivers. swimming for sure.
Diyos ko, dahil ito na ata pinakamagulong video ginawa ko. Walang ka participation audience tong kasama ko. Anyway, enjoy kayo dyan, guys. We miss
I'll
you.
be there for you.
We love you all. Happy birthday ulit, Tati Jaren. Happy birthday ulit, Tati Jaren.
I'll be there for you. Oh.
Happy birthday, Tita Jaren. We love you and we miss you.
Karen, happy birthday. Hope na maging masaya ka and more success dyan sa Dubai. Inaantay ka na ng mga pamangkin mo and enjoy your day. Again, happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Aringge. Thank you, anak, sa love, support, and assistance na binibigay mo sa mga kapatid mo, sa mga pamangkin mo. Thank you, anak, dahil lagi kang nandyan para sa kanila. And I'm so proud of you. Proud ako sa mga na-achieve mo at alam ko marami ka pang ma-achieve. You're very strong. You're like mama, di ba? And please, as much as possible, iwasan ng alak at sigarilyo, okay? Take good care of yourself. Hi, Fancy family! Thank you for the birthday bash na ibinigay nyo kay Jaren. And miss ko na kayong lahat dyan. Mga anak ko dyan sa Dubai, mga manugang at lalo yung mga apo ko ay sa Philippines. Hello! Hope to see you soon. And please, lagi ko sinasabi na ingatan ang sarili, okay? And miss ko na kayong lahat. I love you all.